Hi everyone, this is Sunny Prasad and you are on the channel Mathematics Injection. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and watch my previous videos. If you watch my previous videos, then you will get full grip on calculation. So now we will see the cube root of perfect cubes. In order to learn this concept, you must have memorized the cubes of up to 1 to 20. It would be better if you learn up to 30 also. So I made you to how to calculate and how to memorize in my previous videos. So now let us learn the topic of cube root of perfect cubes. So you must know the basic cubes, that means 9 cube, 729, 8 cube, 512. That means why to remember this means there are many uses for this. So now let us calculate it. So if you see this clearly, if I want to find the cube root of 110592, that means by seeing the unit digit 2, I can declare that the unit digit of its cube root will be 8 basing on this. So if the last digits, that means if the unit digit of any perfect cube is 9, then the unit digit in its cube root should be 9. So if the unit digit of any perfect cube is 6, then the unit digit of its cube root must be 6. So by this concept we are going to calculate. So in this method what we will do is we will group for 3 digits. So if we get the doubt why we are grouping for 3 digits only, we will discuss that clearly when I am discussing the topic, when I am discussing this cubes topic in number system, and I will say detailedly there what is cube and how to understand the cube, and we will see that very detailedly there. And if you want to know, we know that 6 cube is 216. So if I want to find out the cube of 60 cube, then this is nothing but I have to multiply this with 10 cube. Then what I will get 216,000. So if I see this clearly, by multiplying this with 000, that means when I get extra 3 digits here, then I got 1 digit extra here. So these extra 3 digits represent 1 digit and this remaining 3 digits represent 1 digit. So from this I can say that it is cube of a 2-digit number. That is why for getting clarity on number of digits, we will cube up to 3 digits like that. So I want to find the cube root of 110592. It is unit digit is 2 means I will know that you have to know that the unit digit in its cube root is 8. So if I have to talk about 110 lies between the cubes 464 and 125. That means it is less than 125. That means it is less than 50. That means I am saying that the value of 110592 is less than 125000. That means it is less than 50. So this will be 48. So whenever it is 110 lies between 64 and 125, so we have to take the value of 4 in the tens digit. So 144 means unit digit is 4. 262 lies between 216 and 343. 343 means it is less than 7. So 6. So 688. 8 we will get when the unit digit is 2, and 778 lies between 729 and 1000. That means 9. 729 is 9 cube and 1000 is 10 cube. So 736 you will get 6 here, and 884 lies between 728 and 1000. So again 9 here. So 383 we will get when the unit digit is 7, and 2048. If you observe this 2048, you have to learn the cubes of up to 20. So 12 cube is 1728 and 13 cube 2197. So this is less than 2197. So this is less than 13 cube. That means it should be 12. So if I see this 9 means 3307 less than 3375. 15 cube, that means it must be 14. So here 375, that means here 5. 2460 is less than 2744 and greater than 2197. So it must be 13. 2197 is 13 cube. So 392 means here unit digit is 8, and 7762 is less than 8000 and it is greater than 6859. 6859 means 19 cube and 20 cube is 8000. So it is 1919. So 487 means unit digit is 3. 6128 means it is greater than 18 cube. 18 cube is 5832 and 19 cube is 6859. So it is less than 6859. So it must be 18. So in this way you can calculate the cube roots of perfect cubes. So these are all cube roots, and it is the cubes, perfect cubes, and these are the values of its cube roots. So if you get the doubt how we know that these are perfect cubes, means we can decide that this is a perfect cube basing on the problem. In 90% of the cases we can decide by seeing the options and by seeing the type of problems.